Oh, stop dance! Stop dance! Stop dance!
Ako yung ano yung mga wawawin dancer, Lovey. Babalik na to po ano? Tama na. Napagod na ako.
Ako din, pagod na ako.
Pagod na kami guys. Tama na. Okay, nabalik na tayo sa mga kunyari edgy tayo. Can you play Fiona Apple? And Victoria Monet. Para edgy na ulit. Baka sabihin nyo masyado kaming loko-loko.
Paborito kong kanta ni Fiona Apple.
Pa-flex po na number 4. Sige po. Ito po yung number 4. Long lasting. Stretchable po.
Ay, tayo.
Hindi kami nagbebenda. So, pang memes yun. Benden. Okay na. Let's talk again. Let's kwento. Anong pwede natin kwento? Guys, he also got me a cake. Larawang bupas. Guys, kabisado yun. Huwag niyong sinusubukan. Kasi may water pa ba?
When I was fine with my love. Be good to me, this isn't a game. It's you, see? It's you and me.
Nag-picture pala si DK sa phone ko before.
That's who's supposed to survive. Come on, that's right. Left. Right, make life fall the heavier, cause you and I will be like a couple of cosmonauts. Except with way more gravity than when we started off. Whoa, you and I. Anong ganap namin sa birthday ko? Wala. At I cease to exist because I only love the way I look when looking through your eyes. Come back, you commemorate the penetration of the sun into the deep dark sky. Well, let me see, it's you and me, forgive, good God. That's supposed to will survive. Come on, that's right, left, right, make light for the heavier, cause you and I will be like a couple of cosmonauts.
Uy, oh my God, it's not. Okay na. Guys, may favorite akong LSS ngayon. At dahil LSS ako, yung hulaan, di ba, napa-LSS ulit ko kayo. I'm gonna sing it. Love it, that's too bright. Sorry. Ito yung LSS ko ngayon. I'm gonna share it with you guys. I actually added this on our Spotify playlist. I love this song so much. Oh my God, natanggal pala. Sorry.
Hindi kami mapapawisan.
May G. Bawal pala sabihin. Yay. I-share namin yung Spotify playlist again. Guys, can you help us share it?
Thank you sa mga nag-send ng tips. Sa mga tips yan, tips pala kasi nag-perform tayo eh.
Parang may ulap sa aking mga paa, tinumulat aking mga mata, mamasdan ng iyong paghinting, ang iyong pagkinang kay lambing, at pagkising ay maghawak kamay, yumakap ka tayo'y sumayaw kasabay, ikot kumpas at pintig, dito sa aking dibdib, ako ay tuyan mo, ang bising mo'y unan ko, dahan-dahang gumakambay, habang nagadanday, magkayagap sa bawat rimbay, ako ay tuyan mo, ikaw ang kanlungan ko. Wala na akong nanaisin pa, Hindi ang makapiling ka at tumulay sabay sa hindayong ng duyan. Yun na! Yun, favorite ko yun. Duyan by Sarah G. Yun lang.
Gusto ko din ng epic na musical. Kaso yung ano lang.
What epic?
Yung I will fall in love with you over and over again.
Aray!
I don't care how, where, or when. No matter how long it's been, you're mine. Paborito kong ano, Fiona Apple na album, Fetch the Bolt Cutters. I'm sorry. Pero yun yung paborito ko eh. Ito, papatnog ko yung baba, okay lang.
Sige. UAP na daw. Sige na, matutulog na din kami. Siguro we'll probably end the live around 5:50.
Yep. Or 6.
Hi! Ganda ng boses. Thank you, Bo.
Ayoko, malungkot. Is it you?
Oh, that's so sad.
Anong maganda kanta?
Sa playlist na, yung Go Search. Yung Ginto, gusto ko din yun eh. Kaso di mo alam yun eh.
Is it you? Has my prayers been answered?
We're probably gonna post YouTube vlog siguro sa after our birthday celebration. It's gonna be next weekend. So yun.
You look different. Your eyes
Ako pili.
Your frame's lighter. Your smile torn. Is it really you, my love?
Ito, na-miss na natin to eh. It's story time.
There's a princess in a tower. Oh my god, she's just like me. Poor Rapunzel
Needs a
haircut,
but the witch won't
set her free.
She passes time by singing like
As someone else I know.
As years go by, she sits and waits. As years go by,
Uh-oh.
a torturous existence. I don't remember this part. She wishes she were dead. Skip
Ahead, skip ahead.
But in the end, Rapunzel finds a millionaire. The prince is good at climbing. And
Thank you po sa mga nag-gift. Inipon namin yan.
So
So I know he'll appear.
Cause there are rules and there are strictures. I believe the story both sides.
A candlelight, my white knight, I'm Steve. Steven Universe song? Ano yun? Yung kinanta ni Steven, yung ano ba yun? Peace and love and on the planet Earth? Ano yun?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Basta yun. Kung alam mo yun.
Tama na yan.
Now it's today.
Lost?
Ayun, peace and love on the planet Earth.
Tired of wearing question marks and I just surfing. Getting into me like it's not. It's so crazy. Maybe you just understand my feelings, baby. See, I'm capable and fine and feeling beautified.
I love Steven Universe. Before.
I'm ready to dive. Maybe it's a loving in your eyes. I'm here, see through. Maybe it's a magic in a wine. I'm feeling loose. Maybe it's a fire that every time I fall, I lose it all. But you got me from my head to my feet, and I'm ready to die. Cause the water's boiling, that's wrong, so right. and feeling beautified tonight. I'm ready to dive. Maybe it's the loving in your eyes. I'm here, see through. Maybe it's the magic in the wine. I'm feeling loose. Maybe it's a fact that every time I fall, I lose it all. But you got me from my head to my feet, and I'm ready to dive. Guys, ginawa ko pa yung mga vocal stems nito. Lagi ko, mahilig kasi talaga akong pag wala akong ginagawa. Dami kong mga ginagawa, dami kong arte sa buhay. So ginawa ko pa yung mga vocal stems, ano. Let's hear it. Ito. Pangit pag wala yung main vocals eh. Pakinggan natin pag with.
Ready to dive. Maybe it's a loving in your eyes. I'm here, see through. Maybe it's a magic in a wine.
Marunong ba daw lumangoy?
Hindi.
Patay tayo dyan.
Hindi pa kami nag-swimming class ulit. May emergency sister eh. Hindi kami nakapag-swimming class.
Good one. It's a classic.
Aray.
There's a princess in a coma. What it's her instead of me. Pretty maiden
In a glass box, I wonder does she pee? Blah 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 blah. Push
Hello.
Boring, boring, evil. Feel up in the red. That's having short.
Live.
Po.
Naantok na ako.
Nantok na kami. Snow. May sakit na ako. I'm sorry. Kahapon, nagpe-present ako, patigil-tigil ako, tumutulo yung sipon ko. Habang nagpe-present sa harap ng classroom. Busy sa school. Super busy sa school. Pero, I will start uploading sa YouTube account namin. Kung gusto nyo lang naman mag-subscribe, makikita nyo sa yung link sa profile namin. If you guys want lang, doon namin iyan yung birthday namin. Yung birthday celebration namin.
DK is not here. He's in his home.
Thank you po sa mga nag-send ng gifts.
O sa lotion ba? Wala, lalagay lang namin dyan. Hindi kasi namin nagamit.
Subscribe. We'll end the live soon. Mga 5:50. Nag-start kami 4 PM. We're almost live for 2 hours na. Ano lang, quick lang to. Quick catch up lang. Kasi di kami makapag-live sa mga susunod na araw. Super busy ko sa school. Dapat nga ngayon, nag-aaral ako eh. I'm a catch. Baba, mga kaklase ko, sobrang LSS dyan. Lahat kumakanta niya.
Unfolded? Yay! Ay, meron pa ako isang favorite song. It's also on our Spotify playlist. I love this song so much. You know this song, Baba? Siyempre hindi. Di mo kasi pinapakinggan yung mga songs doon sa ano ko.
Gusto ko yan! Gusto ko yan! Gusto ko yan! Pinapakinggan ko yan!
Ilang mo pa makikita ang halimuyak ng sampakita. Di ko alam lyrics. Ilang mo pa mahanap ang halimuyak ng sampagita. Diba't ibon mo rin naman ang kalapating mawalan ng pakpak di makalipat sa kalangitan. Di ko alam lyrics eh. Takumuti galing sa akin. Di mo matamtan. Yun, title na daw Kalapati. I love this so much. So yun. Okay na, go to. We're gonna end the live na.
Sleepy na.
Me too. I really wanna sleep already.
Matutulog na kami guys. Thank you sa mga nanood and sa mga kumausap sa amin the past couple of hours. Namiss niyo kami?
Di mo naman ang kalapating nawalan ng papat.
Oo, baba dinner na din tayo para diretso na kaya tayo
Sige.
matulog.
Well, late dinner. Sorry guys, we went live early so we landed early too. Sorry.
Tagal nga, mga one week tayo. Thank you. Thank you Ate Delay. I will upload a video sa YouTube namin. So if you guys wanna watch, subscribe kayo para notified kayo. If you guys only want to. Meron kaming broadcast channel dito lang din sa TikTok. Wala kaming rainbow app. Oh,
What's the rainbow?
Sa yung camera.
It's not exclusively for LGBT. Camera? What do you mean? Watching from the spot.
Yung Diva costume online lang yan.
It's on.
Hindi ko siya binili dun eh. Pero
Saan mo siya
online
binili?
lang doon sa Facebook.
Sa Facebook.
Lahat yung ko sa Facebook.
Huwag nang hanapin ang pagkukulang. Sana'y hanapin mo pa rin.
Ayun, by 5:50 we'll end the live.
Yeah.
Hintayin lang natin.
5:15 kung sabi, diba?
5:15
2 minutes. Okay. Song name, it's Kalapati by Jarlo Base. Gawin niyo po yung Ocean Eyes. Ayun, makikita yung mga eye bags namin.
Ayun, laki ng eye bag.
Laki ng mga eye bags sa
Wala
amin.
pa kaming tulog.
Wala pa nga.
Gawa kayo please para thank you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday niya kahapon. And
That means, yung song ni Ray is out already.
nga. Gusto mo pakinggan?
Later.
Birthday ko on Wednesday? Wednesday.
We're gonna post on our siguro stories na lang the link to our Spotify playlist. Spotify playlist again.
And our YouTube account.
Pakita mo yung ring mullet.
Picture.
May picture na sila niyo.
Okay.
Tayo na lang picture tayo mamaya. Thank you po.
He's not Clyde. He's Cliven. Stop calling him Clyde. I'm sorry. Pero it's not Clyde.
Hi, Ann.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. And sorry kung hindi kami masyado nakapag-update sa inyo last week and this week.
Busy.
Medyo busy lang. And
Wala na
birthdays and
akong time
everything.
sa kanya eh.
So yun. Bawi na lang siguro kami pag medyo free na. We're gonna put out a lot of content, especially on our birthday celebration. Siguro sa weekend, this weekend. So yun. We're so excited. Kasi medyo maganda yung place. So we're gonna have a birthday dinner too. And yung mga gifts niya, siguro next time, we're gonna do a haul of all the gifts that we received from each other.
Thank you kababa muna sa kanila. Lahat na.
Sa lahat, okay.
Greet
Again,
nila.
sa lahat po ng mga bumati sa akin kahapon at sa mga bumabati pa kasi kanina may mga nag-belated happy birthday, they forgot siguro. So thankful. I'm so thankful Sobrang appreciated sa lahat ng mga messages, kahit HBD lang. It's so sweet. Thank you for remembering that it was my birthday yesterday. Salamat po.
And saktong mga 12 a.m. nagbabatian na.
Tapos ang daming videos. Di mo ma-art lahat.
Ako'y na-art ko.
Yeah.
Nire-retweet ko nga din yung nakikita.